Hi folks, welcome to Auntie Cave. We are here with an unboxing, an actual unboxing. It's still in the package. I am pretty certain that this is the Earthcraft Oracle, and so we're going to open it together. I pre-ordered this Oracle in January, and it's been a long wait. I was pretty excited. I made a note at the top of each month in my calendar when I booked the pre-order to remind me I was going to need to have this money in my account sometime between May and June. That part was uncertain when I signed up for the pre-order, and I did it, and I was so happy and excited with myself. And it is, so I mean, it's pre-order, it's off Amazon, but it's in a paper recyclable container. Way to go. You know, not that I'm saying Amazon is suddenly, you know, they're not. But one less problem. So here it is. It is the Earthcraft Oracle, a 44 card deck and guidebook of sacred healing by Juliet Diaz and Lorraine Anderson. Art by Danielle Bodo Fortune. So here we go. It's in shrink wrap. So just gonna use my nail file, which I keep here with my decks actually. It just fell down, so hopefully there isn't more. The box for boxy folks. The box for boxy folks has thumb tabs, which you would expect because I think it's Hay House. Yes, it's Hay House. So it comes, you know, there's 30 box for you box lovers. I'm not a box lover, but some of you are. So those of you who are box lovers are going to get a beautiful box. On the back, it shows 4 of the cards, and it, you know, talks about it. Reconnect with the powerful healing wisdom of Mother Earth and your highest self with this diverse, brightly illustrated 44 card oracle and guidebook with bodies of many shapes, sizes, skin tones, and hair textures represented. This deck affirms we are all Mother Earth children. We are all Mother Earth children. Don't think that's the same as saying we're all the same, because the last 600 years has ensured we're not. Okay, Earth card message is, each card message is an invitation to tune into Mother Earth guidance and your intuition. Each spell, ritual, or invocation, an opportunity to bring these lessons off the page and into your daily practice. And, oh, hang on, my son's very funky necklace is stuck in his hair because your hair is all knotted. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Sorry, we're having a moment here. Okay. All right. There you go, my dear.
I'm not going to put this on.
So, anyway, so it talks about it. Let's look into it. Inside, Earth Mother, I worship thee, for thy body is my temple, my religion reclaimed. And I like that. So many of us have had to reclaim spirituality, beliefs, and practices things to the last 600 years. So this is the guidebook, and we have a picture of Juliet Diaz and Lorraine Anderson on the back of the guidebook, and it talks about each of them and a little bit about Danielle. So Juliet is an indigenous Taino Cubana, and Lorraine Anderson is a tarot reader, astrologer, spiritual teacher, co-author of Seasons of the Witch, Samhain Oracle, and some more. And Danielle is a Trinidadian poet, artist, empath, and magic maker. And so these are the women of color who created this deck. And I'm excited. So inside the guidebook, you have your typical beginnings, A dedication, a table of contents. We like those. A message from the authors. An introduction. What is Earthcraft? Working with the Earthcraft Oracle before you begin. An oracle prayer, or one card readings, and some spreads going on. And then it gets into card meanings. The card meanings are 2 pages without a picture each. They talk about it. There is affirmations. Yeah, so on abundance, there's attract abundance affirmation. On accept your gifts, there's accept your gift affirmations. Mention some other things. I'm going to quickly flip through. Oh, balance has a balance candle ritual. So this book is a page of descriptions and a page of practical, spiritual lesson, instruction, advice that you can choose to use and incorporate if you want. Amazing! All right, this is the inside of the back of the box. There is a plastic sleeve. The cards are flexible. I didn't show this on my last deck review. I feel so awful. These 2 cardstocks are really pretty much about the same. And I quite like it. So much the same. Except that this one's gilded. Maybe this one is a tiny bit thinner just because it's gilded. It feels almost the same. This is a slipperier matte finish, and they're nice. They're nice. It's not really matte. Maybe it's semi. It's a matte. It has a nice slip to it. I don't know. Always feels nice in your hands though. So, oh, these are the card backs. Right? Amazing. And the first one up is abundance. Just getting them in order over here. Accept your gifts. Balance. Birch. Y'all know I love this card. Birch was like my deal with my deck, right? Love it. Honestly, I was like, oh, please let this be a diverse deck when I saw this card, because I was like, I want this card so badly. And so I was thrilled to see that it was by 3 creators of color, and it was diverse. 5, ceremony. 6, darkness. 7, death. 8, drought. Oh, I thought this was so needed. Right? Drought. Fern. The art style, I'm so in love with this. I'm so in love with this art style. Forest bathing. Forest tears. Some big realities you can pick up in this. Gatherer. Inner healer. Ivy. Karmic debt. Light. Medicine Woman. Oh, I like this. I like that this could be so many of us, especially with the hair up. You know, we can't see what that hair's texture really is. There's a stray hair to escaped, but I'm considering the background of the creators. Now they've read their backgrounds. I'm not surprised that they used Medicine Woman and not Shaman. And I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful that I can use this card. This might be like the whole deck for me. Thank you. Offerings. Plant seeds. Oh, this reminds me of a seed magic ritual and visualization that I do. Two-part, like a physical ritual and a visualization. Prayer. Prophetic dreams. I like that she's holding the earth. Rise. Yep. Why can I hold it there? Look at that. River Woman. Run with Wolves. Sacred Temple. Sacrifice. Seer. Sight of Owl. Oh, Soul Loss. See, we need these cards. No, soul loss is animals. Spirit of the East. Spirit of the North. Spirit of the South. Oh man, this whole deck is so freaking usable for me. Spirit of the West. Spirit Weaver. Spiritual Journey. The Ancients. The Mountain. Whew, the shift. Thunderstorm. Look at them. Wow. Transform with Raven. Warrior Woman. Wild Winds. Womb. You are sacred. I'm so thrilled. You know, I currently have more oracles than tarot decks, and I really foresee that being a realistic thing for me to have is more oracle than tarot decks. I've sort of had that focus for a while, and I've not been as harsh in my criticism of oracle decks as tarot decks. Have both a mix of indie and mass market decks, but this, this card not being the shaman card means so much to me. And I can trust indigenous folks to make that change because they probably feel the same way about it as I do. I feel so seen in this deck. It's hard to believe this is a mass market deck. It's amazing. I'm so happy with it. It might very well up my expectations of Oracle decks, but I love it. Off to use it, folks.